Meaning of explicitly.
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 Explicitly. Explicitly means that something is very clear and direct, leaving no room for confusion or doubt. When a statement or action is explicit, it is not implied, vague, or hidden. It is stated outright and in a straightforward manner. Being explicit is important in communication because it ensures that the intended message is received and understood accurately. By using explicit language, we can avoid misunderstandings and ensure that our meaning is clear. In short, being explicit means being clear, direct, and leaving no room for interpretation.